Hey everyone, this is Susie. Today I wanted to show you my back porch garden. I brought a lot of my plants from indoors out in the porch for the summer. Got some folding tables out here. We have a pencil cactus back here. 3 pineapple plants. My Christmas cactus. 2 peace lilies. Some succulents down in here. Purple heart plant. English ivy. And I got my photos collection on this shelf here. It's all the way down. Some more English ivy on here. There's 2 with some long vines. My Boston fern. Have a calla lily back here. Japanese maple tree I got last spring, and a Japanese maple bush. Some caladiums. Chinese evergreen. And my spider plant. It's got lots of babies on it. China doll plant. Some caladiums. My bird's nest fern. Ponytail palm. Darcina plant. I don't know if I showed you the ZZ plant. It's my little getaway back here with all my plants. I want to thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Bye-bye for now.